This is Dr. Rosie. Today's recipe is Ghanaian street kelewele. Okay, so you're gonna need your ginger, your onions, your dry pepper, your mixed spices. You slice them very raw, and then you blend it together. And add salt. Make sure you add salt. Slice your plantain to your choice, and then mix it very well. After, cover it with aluminium foil. Store it in the fridge for like 30 minutes. Bring it out and fry it. Oh my god, it will smell very nice, smells very nice, and it tastes delicious. Yes, a round of applause for me. So at this moment, you're going to turn on our stove and we're going to begin the frying. Okay, so I stored it in the fridge for 30 minutes. I'm coming to fry in my copper pan. Yes, the oil is very small. We're gonna manage it and do it. Please, when you're frying, use a paper towel, okay, so that it will absorb all your oil. Okay, so frying in progress, it is going on. Process, it is going on, it is going on, and finally it is ready. This is a golden brown kelewele. Trust me, guys, it tastes so nice and it smells so nice. At a point, my neighbor knocked and then asked what I was preparing. Kelewele, all you need is your granuts. Trust me, you don't need popcorn to watch movies anymore. Just prepare this and then enjoy your movie with your partner, your friends, and your family. Yes, you know the name, right? My name is Dr. Rosie. Follow this video, like, subscribe. I'm gonna bring you more interesting